Welcome to a special video, Smart Construction Workers who are on another level. In today's video, we will explore the incredible skills and creativity of construction workers who are not only masters of their craft, but also talented inventors. Get ready to witness inspiring stories of ingenuity and creativity of construction workers. Turns out, you can build a brick wall in half the time, all thanks to this genius. When someone has talent, they can make something beautiful out of anything. They work precisely without much manpower. Has mastered laser technology to perfect a worker who can clean building facades 30 times faster than normal. These workers are not only pressure washing the surface, they are also making sure the concrete is nice and smooth. He must have had a lot of experience. How else could he be so comfortable and precise? While others are racking their brains overcomplicating these professional 3D projects, just take a spoon and make it simple. You have definitely never seen this before. These are the first road builders to use coconut fiber as a building material. Teamwork helps to be productive and efficient. These people know how to save hours at a construction site thanks to their magical skills. This genius figured out an easy way to move a 40-foot pole. Check out how this guy created a real tree with just a little magic and a plastered salmon. This expert's way of interweaving the cells is both clever and simple. Although it will never be as fast as these guys. Now check out this super fast build. His main goal today is to please perfectionists. Watch this experienced person meticulously apply plaster, turning a pool into a smooth oasis. A simple sponge, for example, can save you a lot of money in the end. This woman is not looking for a man with a house because she can build one herself. That guy definitely knows some kind of cheat code for repair work. The tiling experience of these workers is second to none. Another guy who is wasting his talent on the construction site. The only secret to this group's productivity is strong teamwork. The trust in this crew is really something. You won't find a more diligent employee than this guy when it comes to threshold. So far, it doesn't look great, but the results are still impressive. Now let's check out some high-speed roof seams. Making a door extension was the best decision of this worker's life. People who have to dig holes by hand will probably be a little annoyed by this invention. In just 2 quick movements, the holes disappeared like magic. It seems he is the one who came up with the saying, "Work smarter, not harder." The people who built the new subway stations are as happy as the passengers. A great way to make material shipments not only easy, but also fun. Waiting for the results smoothly. With his speed and precision, no calf went hungry. This worker's skill helps remove asphalt that looks like a cake. This worker's skill with foam filling is like magic. It is hard to believe that this master could create such exquisite details with such a crude tool. Let's admire his coolness and skill in controlling this giant thing. Perfect asphalt coming to your streets. Strong work always inspiring. This builder is about to share their secret on how to make beautiful concrete railings in minutes. This expert can fit tiles into any curve. The unusual technology of building a road from scratch. If you look up Team Spirit in the dictionary, you can find this video. This guy brought some bright colors back to those chairs. Great way to make perfect smooth edges, save time, and have a fun trip with a friend. This skilled craftsman is not afraid of a few heavy wooden planks. I can't make perfect lines like this if you give me a ruler. If that's not enough for you, these artists can transform your entire home. You can't imagine how much time these workers saved by using a specific pre-made form. Only an experienced master can replace a broken step without breaking the entire staircase. The worker and the excavator have become one, and he now controls it as if it were an extension of his own hand. The teacher always told him that he would never get paid to sit in a chair. How wrong they were. Those perfect scenes will keep you hooked for hours. Sometimes you need to work very quickly because a storm can ruin your weld, and you will have to start over. Now get ready to see a real masterclass in making wood fences with cement. This guy used his intelligence and unlocked a fun new way to organize things on the terrace. When it comes to intricate laminate patterns, this specialist is second to none. See how we paused epochs more fun than playing any VR game. This guy needs to patent this super fast house painting technique. These builders somehow made an elevator out of a ladder. He literally just did that. You don't even need a team of workers. This guy really thought it through and managed to do the work of 3 people. But no one can compare to this woman's skills. This guy's ingenuity is worth more than a dozen strong men. Your whole life has been a lie hit. Like, if you don't know, this is stupid. Here is proof of that, and the wall is blown up perfectly. A budget-friendly brick wall with just foam glue paint cardboard and this incredible craft lady. The operator below was in dire need of help, and his colleague was there for him. Hard to reach places. This builder doesn't even know what that means, because he can climb anywhere. Wonder how we managed to do it so quickly. A true artist always finds new creative ways to work. Meet the guru who discovered the ultimate way to create texture on pavement. With a sharp mind and a forklift, an otherwise difficult job becomes easy. Apparently, these workers were able to turn off gravity. How else do you explain them carrying loads without wobbling? Impossible is not even in this worker's vocabulary. See how this machine has taken plastering to the next level. All that's left to do is put in some finishing touches. I could watch this guy do this forever. This team excels in every aspect, from professionalism to a strong sense of trust. A true expert only needs one move to get the job done. They even tried to recreate the texture of a canyon. If I hadn't seen the process, I would believe it was a real rock. When best friends work together, they always get the best results. And just like that, a new warehouse was built in just 8 hours. Someone is extremely meticulous, but the result is 100 times better than you expected. These workers deliver cement quickly, without limit. This city doesn't need a special sign striping team because they have a guy who does it best. The guy doesn't waste a second of his working time. His specialty is on-time delivery and lightning-fast unloading. I am speechless. This guy fixed the stairs with liquid resin like icing on a cake. This worker remains loyal to his old asphalt paver, who has never let him down. This arch could easily become legendary simply because it was created by that genius. Even Hawkeye would envy this guy's accuracy. It must be the easiest and most skillful way to draw accurately. When it comes to TV antenna installation, it seems they only hire people who have never heard of acrophobia. Just look at how this worker brilliantly uses a ladder to remove air bubbles from concrete. By extending the cutter, this builder saved himself a fair amount of time. Like this video if you are rooting for these guys more than you do for a football game. This woman is so good at what she does that it is no longer a job, but a form of entertainment. The future looks bright for this smart kid. These workers have to cut every 6 inches, so they figured out a way to not only do their job perfectly, but also save their backs. Came up with a method for creating patterned walls using nothing but pebbles. People who figured out how to create a road out of paper.